All right, guys, we're here in 139th Circle for your social distancing tour of 2010 South 139th. The neighbors are out. It's beautiful weather. Do you guys want to come and join in the video? No? Okay. They're shy just like me. But I wanted to start in the cul-de-sac because there's so many fun things to do in a cul-de-sac. It reminds me of when I was a kid playing basketball. Outlet! And riding my bike. The privacy is there. The home is beautiful, but I wanted to start here so you guys could see what life is like in 139th Circle. Now let's go check out the house. A couple of great features about the outside of the home. First of all, the exterior covering. We've got brick mixed with vinyl siding, so you're talking about maintenance free. The yard is gorgeous. Actually, the sellers redid the yard to make it this beautiful lush green grass, and it's really showing today. But also a lot of maintenance-free landscaping with the river rock there. So on the outside, all you get to do is relax and maybe have some sun tea. I don't know, it's a great day, love it. Let's go inside now. All right, we're inside finally. Come on in, guys, come on in. So first, I want to show you this incredible family room. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I really don't even need to say anything. I'm just gonna let you check it out. Let's walk you all the way through, guys. It kind of circles around here. So once you get through the family room, we go right into a really nice formal dining. Just a note, all the paint is fresh, neutral grays. You can come in here with whatever color scheme you want and liven it up. It's ready to go, ready to jump right in. From the dining room, we move right into the kitchen. And this has been redone in many ways. We've got stainless steel. We've got an incredible glass tile, oversized subway tile backsplash. Cabinets have been painted white. We've got fresh new hardware. And these appliances are upgraded, by the way. We've got a stainless steel undermount sink, ceramic tile floor, very tough. It's great. What I love about this kitchen is when you're done doing the dishes, or while you're doing the dishes and cleaning up, we've got this window looking right out to the backyard here, and I can watch the kids while I'm getting stuff done. Hey, put that down. What are you doing? No, I said no. If I said it once, I said it 1,000 times. Shut it off, shut it off. Here we are in the main living area, and it's an incredible space. The room's big enough. We do have a kids' table. This is usually where I am at Thanksgiving. So I know what you're all wondering, and yes, the answer is yes. Chip and Joe, they were here. The brick has been painted gray. The mantle and the cabinets have been painted white, and this is perfect, gorgeous. Hey neighbor, just kidding. So when you come in from the garage, which by the way, brand new door, brand new hardware, all the closet doors are new with new hardware too, which is really a game changer. When you're here, you'll understand. But we're gonna come into the half bath right off the garage. This is a great place to come in if you really gotta go from that long drive, boom. And when you come in from an outside project, the kids are dirty, whatever, this laundry room has an access right from the driveway. In a cul-de-sac, a lot of times you're playing out front. So coming in, having this door and a drop zone, laundry room right from the front is just a total game changer. All right, let's check out the basement next. So we do have an oversized basement for a tri-level home. It's wide open, the carpet's in great shape, the paint is fresh. Check it out. You know, I almost forgot to mention this, the sellers actually put in an egress window for a future bedroom. It's all done to the nines. They spent a lot of money on it, and it really brings in a ton of great natural light. I just want to come over here and show you. What the? What is... Take 85. We're gonna get this right. Just forget it. Okay, we finally made it upstairs. We got 4 bedrooms, a couple of bathrooms, beautiful, beautiful master suite. Let's check them out. Yes, definitely. No, I'm gonna have to call you back. I'm shooting a video. Okay. So they got the office in here, which is great, but I wanted to take a minute to point out the new closet doors. So smooth. They had those old bifold in there, which nobody really likes. These are very new, very smooth openings. All the doors have new hardware. It's all done. So this bath was redone. Obviously we've got the walk-in tile shower, which is awesome, but we also added a double vanity. If you've ever been with your partner, spouse, whatever, in one vanity in your master, how many fights have been created due to just having one sink? I rest my case. So I wanted to point out we've got a bunch of new windows in the house, and these things are, shoot, you know what, there's a stain. Hang on 1 second. Hang on 1 second. Oh, what is that? Are these the easiest windows you've ever seen? I got a little smudge here. Forget about it. Forget about it. And for just $9.99, this too can be yours. And we're clean. So we're here in the backyard, and this is one of the best parts about living in a cul-de-sac. These massive backyards. You can get a mean game of catch back here, but the true beauty of this backyard is the professional landscaping, the beautiful tree rings, all the mulch, and all the wonderful shade. Great for having lunch on the patio. Having a good solid shed for all your stinky stuff like the lawnmower and the clippings and all the yard work stuff is absolutely essential. This one looks exactly like the house on the outside and has plenty of room on the inside.